In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize and utilize a report template to effectively visualize your own data. Whether you're starting with a ready-to-use template from the gallery or opening a report that's been flagged as a template, the process of transforming it to meet your own needs is both straightforward and flexible. The beauty of using templates is that they provide a polished and professional look right from the get-go, allowing you to either use them in their pre-designed format or modify them to cater to your specific requirements. First, you'll need to open the template you want to work with and make a copy for your personal use. Think of this as creating your own digital canvas, one that's fully editable and ready for your personal touch. To do this, you'll click on the Edit and Share button or the option that says Make a Copy. This ensures that you are not altering the original template, but are instead working on a duplicated version that is exclusive to you. Next, you'll want to replace the default data sources in the template with your own data. This step is crucial, as it ensures that the visualizations in the report reflect information that is relevant to your business or project. To accomplish this, look for the option that either reads Use My Own Data or Replace Data. If the template incorporates multiple data sources, you will need to repeat this step for each data set to ensure complete accuracy across the entire report. Once your data is fully integrated, it's time to review and fine-tune the template. This is your opportunity to ensure that every chart, graph, and figure aligns perfectly with the data you've provided. Pay close attention to the metrics and dimensions. They should match your specific data inputs. This will not only help maintain the integrity of your analysis, but also reinforce your narrative with accurate visuals. The customization doesn't end with data. The aesthetics and functionality of your report are equally essential. Feel free to change the branding elements to align with your company's identity, which might include updating the colors, fonts, and labels. Adjust filters as needed to spotlight the data that is most pertinent to your message. This level of personalization can transform a standard template into a bespoke report that truly speaks to your audience. Finally, when you're satisfied with your customized report, it's time to save your work. Whether you're going to present this report to your team or share it with clients, ensuring that it is saved and stored properly will allow you to easily access and distribute it whenever needed. And there you have it. Your comprehensive, customized report is ready for action. By following these steps, you can harness the power of templates to create a dynamic and visually appealing representation of your data.